Welcome to Mount Fuji!
This week we are visiting Mount Fuji, and honestly this is the most breathtaking place I've ever been to. The views don't even look real. We found a hidden cafe with a rooftop seating facing Mount Fuji and explored some local shops. And we also tried some delicious traditional food. This area is so peaceful, relaxing and beautiful. And in this video I'm taking you with me to explore it all. Enjoy!
We will soon make a brief stop at Mishima. The exit will be on the right side of the train.
Came to this restaurant called Kanjukuya. Kanjukuya. And I mean, just look where we're sitting. It's a heated table. It's literally a heated table. Like, it's hot. Is it comfy for you?
Yeah.
This will be our first meal in Mount Fuji. This is such a unique experience. Like, honestly, never done something like this before. This is really cool. This is really cool. I'm so very excited.
Oh, into tempura.
I'm going to show you our view and zoom in with you here. Do you see that? What we ordered is the vegetable hodo, which is a noodle vegetable soup, hunger eel, tempura and grilled eel over rice. So this is Mount Fuji Cola. Excited to try this. It's like cola without a whitish color, milky color. It tastes like cola. So we also have peach juice, which is made with peaches from the region. Oh, it's like very thick juice. Love it. This is the eel set. So this is unagi eel. And this is some fried eel, hot udon soup. And what do you have on the side?
Just a pickle.
Some
just
pickles.
Radish.
Oh, nice, nice. And some fried vegetables as well. And I think it's on rice. Yeah, cool.
Hi there. Hi.
Thank you.
これがスパイスですね。
Okay, thank you. Wow. Oh my god, it looks so cool. That's a huge bowl. Some pickles, some vegetable tempura. So let's look at the soup. It's such a thick broth with noodles. I see pumpkin. Wow, that's a big piece of pumpkin. Beans, cabbage. I believe mushrooms. This looks so healthy to me. Let's see how crispy the tempura is. Potato. Lotus tempura. I love the pickles. Let's dig in. The eel tempura is crispy, yeah? Shoes? Ah, yes. I love it. We're going to take off our shoes. We get these cute house shoes. Oh, okay. Hello, yeah, sure. cute. Oh, these are huge beds. And I want to show you what I got in 7-Eleven Mount Fuji. Finally, I found the blueberry sando. And I also got the strawberry. So nice. Tastes like cream cheese with blueberry jam. The strawberry sando, which I love anyways, the strawberry whipped cream sandwich. So good. What else do we have? Vitamin C. I saw it recently. They have this vitamin with collagen and hyaluronic acid. We also got the fiber mini. Highly recommended on social media for digestion. These are like fiber drinks. Oopsie. Baked cheese and chiffon cake. This is cute. Smells delicious. I like this one. I like it when a cheesecake is not too creamy. I'm gonna love the cheesecakes. I was craving ice cream. Well, I'm craving ice cream every day. Nothing new. I don't know what this is. Spécialité japonaise from Häagen-Dazs. What is it? It's not chocolate. Is it chocolate? It's like coffee. Green tea? Is it matcha? I'll Google and find out what it is. But it's very interesting, very good. Last but not least, my favorite ice cream, sundae cup. Let me tell you, this is so good. If you love chocolate ice cream, comes in different layers with chocolate sauce and crispy chocolate. You hear it? You hear the chocolate cracking. We also got all sorts of heaters for the feet, for the neck, like a scarf. This is actually also for the neck, for the back of the neck. And one of these is stickable, one is non-stickable. Must-haves in winter in Japan. Good night and see you again tomorrow for breakfast in Mount Fuji. Good morning from Mount Fuji, and look who's behind me. We came to the coffee shop that's called The Park to get their famous pancakes. So super excited for the pancakes. We ordered some hot coffee. It's freezing cold outside, 2 degrees, right? What is this view? It's insane. This is beautiful. I don't know what to say, I'm speechless. It's so beautiful. Okay, it's really good. I have to say this is good. So cute, the Mount Fuji and the Swans. On a mission to feed swans. Found this coffee shop here. If you buy a drink, you can go to the 4th floor. This is so cute, right?
Oh, look at this cart. I love that.
Nice. Is it ice?
Ice cream.
Yes. Less sweet?
Less sweet.
Yes.
With me. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Please follow me.
Thank you so much.
OMG. I did not expect this. Here we are at the rooftop and look at this view. I got iced matcha. I'm not a matcha drinker, but in Japan, you have to do matcha and it's always good. So I actually really like this. This view is unbelievable, this rooftop. Oh my God, if I would live here, I would not leave this rooftop. In case you're new to my channel, I left Germany 15 years ago to move to Dubai and work in corporate. On the side, I started my own skincare brand called Lovelash. And when I met my husband, who's a YouTuber, we decided to just quit our jobs and travel the world for food and coffee. Funny thing about Mount Fuji is wherever we go, we say, oh my God, now this is the most beautiful view ever. And then we go to the next location and then it's again another amazing, crazy, insane, beautiful view. And then we go somewhere else and there's again like a breathtaking view, right? It's like everywhere.
Everywhere.
Oh my gosh. And when you drive, it's like you always have Mount Fuji on a different side of you, and it's just, I'm in love with it. It's so beautiful. Thank you for convincing me to come here. I was first a bit hesitant because it's the ride coming here from Osaka was a bit long. We drove like we were in a train and in a bus and a taxi, like it was in total like 5 hours.
Mochi.
Mochi. Can I?
Pudding. Oh, pudding also there. Pudding there and mochi there. Oh, I keep warm with the stone.
Oh, nice and warm.
It's Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Pudding.
Nice.
Mascot pudding, peach pudding.
Okay, peach pudding.
Oh. Peach?
Peach.
Ah, yes, peach. I wanted to. We're doing a tasting, jam tasting here. I'll take one peach. Nice. Take a picture together. So you got mochi?
Mochi.
You got a mochi. Nice. Okay.
The red bean.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Yuzu. Yuzu.
Peach. Peach.
Peach.
Peach.
Ah, peach.
The mochi, they just all make it here. Wow, this is so good. And they made some peach juice for us with the jam that I actually just bought. Peach tea. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have to come here.
Yeah. Come to this shop.
Marmelata.
Over here. Mention over here. You're gonna put change the location.
Bye.
So enjoy. This is absolutely beautiful.
You should get it. Can you get it, Faisal?
Absolutely.
Please. So we're doing a bit shopping. My husband got a sweater, I got a purple shirt, and 2 caps for my husband, but I'm gonna steal this one, I love it. So this is the place, you have to come here. Ovo Store. Souvenir shop. This shop used to be his grandfather's photo shop. And yeah, now it's like a souvenir shop with really, really cool stuff. Very cool. He was freezing anyway, so thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. We're here at the busy corner where everyone comes for the photo op, and it's crazy how busy it is. So this is what all of them are taking a picture of. Today we got this vitamin drink, which was actually really delicious. Apparently it has all the vitamins. Already finished. And we got this candy. It's the Mount Fuji Cola. It looks like Mount Fuji. Aren't these cute little Mount Fujis?
Passengers to transfer to JR line. The transfer gate, we are checking your JR tickets from this station as well.
That's it from Mount Fuji. I hope you love this video, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you next week in Tokyo. Don't forget your camera.